Hello guys, I just received this beauty. It's the Ghetto blaster from Double Eagle. This one is the 10.5 inches rail. It comes with this very nice foam. I chose the FD color. It's also available in Hulk green, in silver gray. It's like a gunmetal gray actually, and in black. This one also comes at 7.95 inches rail. I will show you the gray one. I have it here with me. Let's see the contents first. We have a magazine. It's very similar to the Tokyo Marui. Almost the same. I say almost because I found a difference here. Comes with this one. A different spring. It's compression spring for the buffer. A very nice PVC patch. Serial number. Okay. This is it. Let's see the gray one also. This is the difference. This one feels very small. I like it, and this one is the perfect size for me specifically. So check this out. Very sturdy, much better than the first approach on the GBB. I mean the N4. It's very sturdy. Ambidextrous, everything. Check this out. The selector goes 45 degrees, doesn't go to the top, but it works, trust me. Bolt lock function, of course. All the markings. This one here is ready for some specific flash hiders. Markings here also. Noversian marking. What do you think about this color? So let's see how to extract the buffer, the stock. Simply press this one. It doesn't have a spring or something, so one position, two, and fully open. You can put your sling here with a quick touch. In the front you will need something to attach on the M-lock. M-lock here, rail on the top and under. All in all, it's very nice. The feeling, nothing moves. Check this out. No gaps, no nothing. The mechanism is exactly the same as Tokyo Marui, but here we have steel parts. It's full of oil. What's this? Look at this. Oh my god. Look at the size. Okay, if it works, it turns stupid. Also with markings. Here also. the bolt is exactly the same, and actually here I have my Tokyo Marui, and we try to see what works and what doesn't work. This is the Tokyo Marui magazine. This is the double eagle. So let's go to the Marui and try the bolt. This is the Marui bolt. And this is the Marui magazine. And let's try, it's exactly the same, doesn't have a meaning, but anyways, let's go here. And let's also try the double eagle magazine on the Tokyo Marui. Give me a second. Okay, so this is the double eagle. Okay, it doesn't fit exactly the same. I feel it's a bit harder to install, but it went in, it locked. Let's see if it works. Nice. I have a small gap here, but it works. So everything cross-compatible. I found a small difference here. I believe it's a little bit lower than the original, so it's hard to lock, and it already had this mark, but all in all it's exactly the same. I would like to try the receivers, so let's find out if it's cross-compatible also. But I find some difference here. We'll see. Okay, so this is the original Marui upper receiver with its bolt. I'm very curious. Okay, the front works. Oh my god. Okay, it went in but doesn't lock. No, doesn't lock. Let's try the opposite. Tokyo Marui lower, double eagle upper. Something is different. Look at the gap. It's much wider. So no, we don't have receiver compatibilities, but that's not an issue. Everything else is compatible. The hop up also, it's exactly the same as it used to be. Nothing changed here. All in all, I think it's a very good option, value for money, and it's worth every penny. Specifically, this one is my favorite. It's very small, but the feeling is awesome. Nothing moves, absolutely nothing moves. Look at this. I love this. So, let me know what you think, guys. Thank you. Please subscribe.